Alright, I'm going to show you a real easy way to cut a perfect circle. It involves using a 3D printer. If you don't have a 3D printer, you can probably make this with a hole saw as well. All it is a round circle about a ½ inch thick by the diameter I need. A couple of holes and a locating hole. You mount it here. Then you run your router along the edge of this base, hugging the inside of here, and you get a perfect circle. Now, how do you figure out the size of this? So you need to know the diameter of the circle you're making. So in this case, it's a 7½ inch circle. So I divide that in half, I get 3.75. The next thing I do is I measure from the tip of my router to the edge, the router bit to the edge of the fence here, which is 2 3/4, so 2.75 from 3.75 gives me 1 inch. So I have from the center point to here is 1 inch. From here to the edge is 2.75, gives me the total 375, and the total size of 7½ inches. So you just attach this here, screw that down, take the router, and you run it along that block, hugging the inside of that circle, and that gets you the shape.